Hello and welcome to the Fabrico.Design channel. We develop professional sewing patterns and make them available to every woman. Using our patterns and video instructions, you can easily sew any garment at home and feel like a designer.
Today, we are cutting and sewing the Forget-Me-Not trousers. These are straight-leg trousers with an attached waistband with elastic. The front features pockets in the side seams. For sewing, you will need patterns, the main fabric, 2-thread fleece, matching threads. We chose a slightly lighter shade to make the stitching more visible. 4.5 centimeter wide elastic, interfacing tape, and sewing accessories. For sewing, we will also need stretch twin needles and size 80 needles, preferably stretch. You can find the patterns for this model on our website. Let's start cutting. Be sure to decate the fabric to prevent shrinkage during sewing. Follow the grain line direction as indicated on the patterns and transfer all control points. After cutting, check that you have the correct number of pieces according to the pattern specifications. 2 front trouser pieces, 2 back trouser pieces, 2 side pieces, 2 pocket bag pieces, 1 waistband piece. Note that we reinforce the seam allowances on the front trouser pieces. For the main fabric, we used 2-thread fleece. 3-thread fleece or jersey would also work well. Using these patterns, you can sew not only trousers but also shorts of any length. Place the pocket bag right sides together with the pocket entrance edge on the front trouser pieces. Stitch. Top stitch along the pocket bag 0.1 centimeter from the stitching seam. Fold the pocket bag to the wrong side and press. Front view, back view. Attach the cutoff side section to the pocket bag, right sides together. Press and secure the pocket to the front trouser pieces along the side seams and upper edge. Front view, back view. Place the front trouser piece onto the back trouser piece and sew the side and inseams with an overlocker. Note that in the inseam, up to the notch, we slightly ease in the front piece by evenly distributing the excess width. Press the seam allowances toward the back trouser pieces. Front view, back view. Turn one trouser leg right side out and place it inside the second leg. Pin the seat seam. Sew and press the allowances. Overlock and press the trouser hem along the notches. Then sew with a twin needle or a cover stitch machine. Press. Press the waistband piece in half lengthwise with the wrong side inside, then fold right sides together and stitch the short edges. Stitch by sewing machine and press the seam allowances open. Decate the elastic and cut it to the required length. Then sew it into a ring. Insert the elastic inside the waistband and secure it along the lower edge. Match all control points. Place the waistband right sides together with the waist edge of the trousers and stitch with an overlocker. Match all control points. Press the seam allowances toward the garment and press the finished trousers. The forget-me-not trousers are ready.
Thanks for sewing with us. Subscribe to our channel and publish your photos in different social medias and tag us. You can find the link to our website in the description box below the video.